Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a Roblox walking animation in Blender. First, open Blender and confirm you are using a recent version, such as 3.6 or newer, to avoid compatibility issues. Next, import your Roblox character rig. Many creators use a free rigging add-on for this step. Then, prepare your animation workspace. Set your frame rate to 30 frames per second and adjust the timeline for easier viewing. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth workflow and effective animation creation. Next, we establish the foundational poses for our walk cycle. Start at frame 1, setting a keyframe for your character in a neutral standing position, ensuring all limbs are straight. Then, advance to about frame 6 and create the contact pose, with one leg extended forward, foot just touching the ground, and the opposite arm swung forward. Follow this with the down pose around frame 10, where the character's body lowers slightly as the leading foot fully connects with the surface. These initial keyframes define the primary movements. Now let's complete the walk cycle. After the down pose, move to approximately frame 14 for the passing pose, bringing the back leg forward past the standing one and slightly raising the body. Next, around frame 18, establish the up pose, where the character reaches their maximum height before the next foot strikes. Finally, mirror these poses for the opposite leg over about 24 total frames, completing one full stride. This forms a continuous, realistic loop when played back. Once the basic cycle is complete, refining is essential. Open the graph editor to smooth out any jerky movements by adjusting the animation curves, aiming for fluid transitions. Take time to carefully review the timing of your keyframes, making slight adjustments to perfect the walk speed and overall feel. When you are satisfied, export your animation from Blender. Select the FBX format, ensuring selected objects and armature are checked, preparing it for Roblox Studio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.